Wow, we just had the best snorkeling trip that I think I've ever had before. I also flew my drone into a tree, but let's not talk about that.
Welcome to our final episode from this fabulous Indonesia series. We spent the last 2 weeks traveling Java and Bali and have had a truly unforgettable experience. Indonesia is a magnificent country with a rich culture, never-ending inspiring landscapes and the friendliest people. We have truly only scratched the surface of what this incredible island nation actually has to offer. We decided to spend our last week on the Gili Islands, which are a set of tiny islands off the coast of Bali near Lombok. We will be staying on Gili Trawangan, the largest of the 3 islands, and explore amazing beaches, witness beautiful sunsets, eat local food at the night market, snorkel with turtles, and last but not the least, spend 4 days getting our open water scuba diving certification. So subscribe, give this video a like, and watch till the end as we take in the full experience of this final leg of our Indonesian odyssey.
We are very sad to leave Siedeman, but luckily we will spend the next 5 days in the Gili Islands, which is going to be a lot of fun. But first, we have a boat to catch.
In the boat, arrived in Gili Trawangan, also called Gili T. It's one of the 3 Gili Islands, the other one being Gili Menu and Gili Air, which are much smaller. This is the largest of them all, and we are staying at Manta Dive Resort right next to the harbor. This is where we will do our 4-day open water scuba diving course that starts tomorrow. And today we are just gonna hang around, explore the island, maybe rent some bikes. Gili Islands do not have any motorized transport, so you have to get either a bike or walk or get this horse carriage, which I don't think we intend on taking.
We're going to rent a bike now and going to explore the island. Let's go over to the GoPro.
Way too many horse carriages. I didn't realize how close we are to the other 2 Gili Islands. You can see island of Gili Meno behind me, and in the far distance you can even see Lombok. Cool. First snorkel in the Gilis. No luck today. I'm literally at a place called Turtle Point. I went quite far to search for one, but I couldn't find it. Anyway, I'm pretty sure during scuba dive we're going to see a lot of nice stuff.
Island.
We have found ourselves the perfect sunset spot. From day 2 in Gili Trawangan. Yesterday we had a pretty amazing night. We went out to the night market. We were feeling very tired, so we didn't really film all that much. I think we're gonna go again tonight and we're gonna show you what we eat. But we had a nice fish, shrimps, chicken, a whole bunch of different Indonesian vegetables. And also then we sat in one of the pubs where we had live music. I even got a chance to sing. That was fun. And this morning now we have our start of our scuba diving open water course. So we are gonna go into the swimming pool, learn all the different techniques today, spend almost all of the day there. Not sure if we are gonna be able to film it. But tomorrow we go on the boat, dive to 10 to 12 meters, and then the day after we dive to 18 meters. So let's see how that goes. Wow, we just came back from an awesome dive. In the morning, we did a few skills in the swimming pool, and then we went for a dive for 13 meters. It was incredible marine life. We saw some turtles, really nice fish. Tomorrow, we do the same skills and dive toward to 18 meters to get our certification. It's an absolutely incredible experience. Definitely recommend it. Manta dive. How did you like the dive today?
The dive was so beautiful. Luckily it went way better than we expected. I had some problems with the equalization. I really love just going on the boat. It's so chill, a lot of people just having a dive. Tomorrow another dive, so hopefully it goes as good as today.
They say out of the three islands, Gili Menu and Gili Air are relatively calmer, and Gili Trawangan is more of a party island. If you're near the busy area near the harbor, there is a lot of young people just going crazy in clubs.
Beer pong?
Yeah, but if you start going a little bit outside from the center, then you have really nice calm beach clubs. And yesterday we filmed a very nice sunset. I also flew my drone into a tree, but let's not talk about that. It's the largest of the three islands, but it's also not that huge. Like when we flew the drone, it almost felt like... Thank you very much. Thank you. It's all good. Cheers. Yesterday when we flew the drone, it seemed like it's a very large island, but you could literally fly from one end to the other end, I think. I could see all three islands and Lombok at the same time, which was pretty cool. They have these underwater statues which are very shallow, like 1.5 or 2 meters in depth under the sea, and you can go snorkel over them. So that's pretty cool. That's something we have not done yet.
Monday evening entertainment. Wow, क्या बात है. Enjoying a lot of food again.
We had a lot of shrimp and fish in general yesterday. Today we are trying chicken. So guess who got certified? After spending 4 days with 4 different dives, we finally have our open water scuba diving certification. Now we can dive anywhere in the world. This is sadly our last full day. Tomorrow we fly from Lombok to Jakarta. Spend 2 days in Jakarta and fly back to the Netherlands. This was an absolutely incredible 3 weeks we had in Indonesia.
This day we will just use to enjoy the beach without the stress of the diving.
Yeah, we're just
sitting here on the beach and we do some snorkeling.
We are at Turtle Point. You can see a lot of turtles here actually. We saw them during our scuba diving as well.
A lot of turtles.
Somewhere here.
Yeah. And during our last dive, we saw a turtle. I think it was almost 2 meters wide. It was huge. The instructor said it was probably a really old one, around 60 years old.
So many fishes, moray eels, different sea turtles and corals. I've never seen such good marine life before in our lives.
Beautiful.
I am the man from Gili man.
Come to Turtle Point and stay with this guy.
Hi, welcome to Turtle Point. Welcome to Gili Island.
It's been a long and tiresome day. I've been waiting to come home and give you everything that I have.
So I can't wait to get into this water.
Slowly watch as the sun rises. I fall asleep instead. This is how it ought to be. Every day should be like a hovering cloud. When it's only you and me, no one else can bother us to step on our feet. Oh no, step on our feet. There's a road positive side.
Wow, we just had the best snorkeling trip that I think I've ever had before. We saw a really nice small and big fish, but we also saw some sea snakes and a lot of turtles. Turtle Point on Gili Trawangan is the place to snorkel. So hope you enjoyed this wonderful trip to Gili Trawangan, guys. We spent 5 days here, got our certification, had an incredible time, and today is our final day at Gili Trawangan. We are literally spending a few hours now sitting by the pool at Manta Dive Resort, waiting for our boat to Lombok, and we fly from there to Jakarta. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about the islands, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.